Hello and welcome to the GDS Lab version 2024 tutorial for 3.3, how to arrange test stages in the test list. Now this is very simple actually. You should be around this part of the software, so the test setup tab. You can tap this to expand and minimize this little window pane here. And these are the things we'll be interested in. Now we've got some buttons up here that I will run through. You've got a new one, so you can create a completely new one if you would like, and it will prompt this page, so we can name this test, for example, and you'll have to put in any parameters that you need, and you click apply, and then it will add the test at the bottom. So that's the new one. You can also delete it, so to delete something you have to have got it highlighted, and you press the delete test stage, so you can do that as many times as you want. As far as I'm aware, there's no getting it back unless you've saved it, but that's possible. You can also copy test stages. So for example, if I wanted to copy this test 1, I can do that. And then I can rename it if I want to test 2, for example, click apply. And then that's test 1 and test 2. And you can also load in and merge. So I might have a few test files here for the test stages. Then I've loaded in this one, and it has added this one to this test group stage. You can also export this entire list as well, and you can also drag and drop the order. So if you're not happy with the order, say for example if I wanted this login 2 at the top and I wanted that to start first, that's what will happen. I can move that, and you can do this as many times as you want to drag which direction you need to make sure that the order is correct. But anyway, that is how to arrange the test stages in the test list. Thank you.